will have heard us talk about multiple time frames and multiple chart setups, but how do the two work together? And what would it look like in a live trading scenario? This video shows you exactly that. As you'll see, I have multiple charts set up for the €7 trading pairs, and I've done this across multiple time frames. So you're a subscriber and you receive an alert that the euro is strong in the main session. Great. What now? You'll have access to our heat map, so you head there to determine what's happening with the euro pairs. And you'll see that the euro is showing signs of strength. By contrast, the yen shows sign of weakness. The euro-yen shows the most price momentum and movement out of all of the euro pairs. Now, as a subscriber, you will have already known that the yen had long-term weakness and the euro-yen featured in our trade plans. So you have the alert, the heat map backs, what now? You use your multiple charts for analysis, and these make it convenient for you to observe what's happening within a currency group and how its pairs are behaving. Are they consistent or are there differences? And you use the charts and trends to complete your analysis spreadsheet. Euro pairs are strengthening, so on balance, with long-term yen weakness, the euro-yen is a potential trade. You'll also need to head over to your smaller time frames and look at when to consider the actual trade entry. Signs of euro strength look good, but it doesn't look like an optimum time to enter. It even looks like a small reversal may occur. Knowing this and when to enter is all made possible from the use of multiple time frames and multiple chart setups. Let's also go ahead and look at the yen pairs. As you'll see, there's no clear uptrend. There's little momentum. It's possible it was the euro strength that created the pair's momentum earlier today. So you wouldn't look to enter based on these charts alone. What you can do is simply add a price alert and you'll be alerted when the pair begins to move. And then you can consider a possible trade entry. It's as simple as that. All this data, used well and purposefully, will help you with your trade entries. And it was all possible from the use of multiple time frames and creating multiple chart setups for all your currency groups. And you would do this across smaller and long-term time frames. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and look out for our how-to guide for creating your multiple chart setups.